So, good morning, sir.
Good morning to you also, ma'am.
For today's video, I will interview you and ask you some question because this is one of the things that I need to know in order to get some details about you and determine if you are ready to be my trainee. And don't worry, sir,
Okay,
it is just a self-assessment questionnaire. Let's start. So,
sure.
first question. What would you like to change, if anything, and why?
So, so far, as a person who is engaged into exercise, I think ang ako ang ma-change sa ako ang kaugalingon as of now kay ang ako ang self-discipline. Kay we all know that self-discipline is very important, especially if you are engaged into exercise. So, yeah, that's it, ma'am.
So, next question. What is going on in your life that would facilitate behavior change? Inhibit it.
So, as of now, as a graduate as maritime, and I'm planning to look for a job as earlier as possible. I think if have given a chance to work on board soon, so yeah, I think that is the only thing that can change my behavior in dealing in exercise.
So, thank you. For next question, what is your current physical activity level?
So for me, I think I am just in mid-level. Like, ug ako siyang i-rate, naara siguro ko sa 5. Like, out of 10, 5 lang ko. Nasa mga tunga-tunga. So, ana ra mo.
Next question. Have you tried regular exercise before and failed to stick with it?
Yes, for sure. Kay, sa una, especially as a student, dili dyan na to ma-maintain ng exercise. Like, if loaded kayo ta sa school, then you have no choice nga unahon ang school chores like mga assignments like that kaysa ayha ang exercise.
So,
So,
thank you.
mawala to siya mo.
So, next. Currently, what do you estimate your potential to stick with an exercise program to be?
So, as of now, if I am going to estimate my potential, since graduate na ko, of course, ma-estimate na ko kung potential as higher kay I am not like dili na ko loaded kayo. So of course, mas taas kog potential in sticking with it, like in sticking my exercises.
So, thank you. For the next question, what unmet personal needs you are thinking of attempting to meet?
So I think my unmet personal needs is to be physically fit. Like that's the reason why I accept this opportunity to be your trainee, and also the reason why I am more engaged into exercise because I want to meet that unmet personal needs of me. So yeah.
Okay. For the last question, what is it about your body and mind that you are unhappy with that could be positively affected by exercising regularly?
I think the thing that I am unhappy about my body and my mind is being thin, and also an overthinker one. Like pag makakita mo gud ko og kanang mga tao nga engage into exercise like mga gym, mga dagkog lawas. So as a thin person, mas mura kag ma-guilt sa imong kaugalingon bitaw, like there's a guilt in yourself, and which leads also to you to overthink. nga mas mag-overthink ka nga, uy, ana, so unsay mo dapat buhaton. So yeah, I think mao na siya ang mga reason nga unhappy ko sa akong kaugalingon nga which can positively affect in doing my exercise regularly.
So that's
So
all. So thank you, sir, for your cooperation again.
yeah,
And I
thank
hope
you to you also.
you learned something.
Yeah,
So thank you and goodbye.
thank you. Goodbye to you also. Have a great day ahead.